Hey guys, it's Connie here, and today we are doing a quick unboxing video of everything that I received for Hey Pumpkin collection. This is the collection that I will be working in with next few weeks, and I am excited to work with it. It is very pretty. So the first thing that I always notice is that they always give us some type of waterproof dishwasher safe sticker, and these are perfect for your water bottle. They're so cute. I like to add them all over. And this time is a little spider. She's adorable. This one here is the Hey Pumpkin Chit Chat pieces. It comes with 85 pieces in here, and it is filled with all type of phrases, perfect for cards, your layouts, your mini albums, and they're just lovely. I won't open them because if you would like, I will link in the Doodlebug website where this is loaded so you can see everything a little closer and better. Okay. This is another sticker, Doodle waterproof dishwater safe sticker. There is some ghosts, two ghosts, which is cute. This one here is the cards and envelopes. It comes with 12. They are matching pretty much except the green one, which is perfect. Sometimes I turn these ones into mini albums, like the pages mini albums. Sometimes I create cards with them. It just depends on the project that I'm making. Okay, the next thing that I got is the little shakers, sweet treats, and Halloween nights. These are really fun to create tags or shakers on the mini albums, little fun projects on your covers for your mini albums also. I will be making some fun tags that I always do. I feel like I love to create them with every collection that I get. This one is the Shadow Box insert kit. Comes with vellum, with a sticker sheet, comes with some shape sprinkles and enamel dot sprinkles in the color that matches this, and also a template. I have used this as a layout. I have used it as a shadow box. I have used it to create cards. You can get so much out of this. You can even create layouts with it. Okay, so the next one thing is, let me see here, some sprinkles, shape sprinkles, pumpkin spiders, jewels, trick or treats, October skies, and then other sprinkles. This one is the puffy stickers, puffy icons. It comes with a ton. You can do so much with this one. It comes with 158 pieces. Okay, so this is the washi tape that I got. I love the black and white tape. Beautiful. And then also we just got the charm clip or keychain. I love adding them to my mini albums, sometimes even my keychains, going out, and then people are always asking me where I get them from, which is because they're always so adorable. And of course, they always have even more charms that you can add. If you want to add beads, you can. See? Let me show you this one here. There's some type of paint. I was painting something. Okay, so see, I got candy, a bat, and another candy. Adorable. And then for this one here is a little pin. See? And this is a little ghost with a little pumpkin on the head. Okay, the next thing that I've received is the stamps. This one's sometimes, yeah, most of the times they come with the matching die set. So you see here that I got the doodle cuts. Let's see. Yep, I think this is it. Yep, this is it right here. So this is the doodle cuts for Hey Pumpkin. You can stamp them, use the create cards, so much fun things. This one has a standalone sweet treats. Oh my gosh, this one, guys, goes with this little mini album. I have done so many of these ones right here, and it is nice to have a die set that can cut everything, and then you don't have to worry about trying to get everything that's perfect to match. This is amazing. It's a good buy. And then you also get the good spirits. This is like a little scene, which is beautiful. All right. So the next thing is the mini icons. It comes with 3 different sheets filled with embellishments, little icons for all those little embellishments, clusters that we like to make for Happy Meal, things like that. And these are also perfect for planners and calendars. I scrapbook with them all the time, so I don't particularly use it for planner or calendars. You can use it for anything that you want. This ones are the car stack sticker icons. It comes with I don't know how many, but it is filled also. That's one thing with Doodlebug. They will give you product, and which you never feel like you're missing or you're needing more, or if you want to hoard, you can definitely do that. This is odds and ends. Let me see, 176 pieces. Oh, so many little icons and ephemera is in here. You can do so much with this one here. Super adorable. And this doodle pops, shaker pops are always my favorite. I just love all the layers and the little shaker elements that they have. They're perfect for, I have used them on covers for albums. I have used them on layouts, on cards as main pages, or sometimes just on a layout standalone. So cute. Look at that. Cupcakes. This little car. Oh, this is so cute. And of course, you have to get a little house. This one is Candy Cottage. Candy Cottage. Oh, so cute. This one is Boo Cruise. This one is Cute Cakes. And this one is Trick or Treat. Oh, so cute. This right here is Pumpkin Patch. The little patch with the little kitty. This one is Halloween Spirit with little ghosts and the bat. Oh, this one is adorable. This one's a Spooky Sweet, and this one is Pumpkin Latte. Oh, yummy. The names match. Makes me want to eat it. Okay, so this is another bit pieces. My Hey Pumpkin. It also comes with tags. You can use those tags to create little clusters to go on different projects. It also has florals. I love florals. This one's filled with these pieces, and is 68 pieces. So wow, that's a lot. Of course, we get the 6x6 paper pad. This one comes with smaller print. If you are creating something that is needing smaller print, this is definitely the album for you. And it's double-sided, and it comes with 24 double-sided sheets. Okay, the next thing that we got was the 12x12 sticker sheet. This one, you can use this for larger cards. You also get borders, which are perfect, and also little phrases. I have used this little one right here on album covers. Oh my gosh. And we also get the acetate. I'm not sure if you're picking that up because of the light, but this is the acetate. It has spider webs on it. And I got 2 of those. This is very beautiful. Let me see if I can find a dark card stack so you can see something that will help it pop. What do you think? I think this yellow will work. Hopefully you're seeing that. Okay. And then of course I get the papers, 12x12 papers for the collection. It's the same papers from the 6x6 paper pad. I get 2 sheets, and which is good because sometimes I love something so much that if I only get 1 sheet, I'm like, I want to reuse it on another page, use the other side on another page. This one has the florals and the spiders, and then this polka dot print with black polka dots. That's bright pink. Wow, this is a cut apart sheet with this beautiful back. The candy paper, oh, stripes. Okay, so let me see this. Wow, so 3x4 cards. This little spider and the webs. Oh, so cute. So this is something like the acetate. heavy acetate, but on paper, which is very good. And the silk pumpkins, and then the colorful dots on the other side, some ghosts, and some little stars in the black cardstock. Let me see if I can put that acetate here. Can you see it better now? There you go. Oh wow, love the borders and everything. And this one here, ooh, so pretty. And this one is the same one, that one. And then of course, I always love the tags. Love, love, love the tags. They have so much purpose. Like I love using them in everything. Cards, layouts, mini albums, any project that I create, I'm always using the tags. And and I love that you can even add them and add little journaling or pictures on the back of them. And we always also get the, well, if the collection has a color pattern, solid assorted cardstock, we always get it. And this is the Hey Pumpkin assorted um, 12 by 12 texture cardstock. And it comes with all these colors right here. The colors that are throughout the collection. So you don't have to worry about trying to find something to match it. All right, so guys, that was it for this Doodlebug unboxing. Let me know what you think about it, and I will go ahead and do a project share of the project that I will be making. I'm sure that we will be assigned a few projects with this collection. And you guys take care. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.